Hi, in today's video, we are going to go over how to create different views in Zoho Desk. So I'm in Zoho Desk, and if you click on tickets, you can see all your tickets here. On the left-hand side, there is views here. So to add a view, just click on this plus icon. It says create custom view. Click on this. You can give your view a view name. I will call it custom view. In here, filter criteria, you need to add in the field that you want to filter in. I will select account name. If account name is, there are two accounts at the moment, so I'll select Zoho. And visible to. In the visible to field, you can either select only me, all agents, or specific agents. It's entirely up to you. I'll leave it to only me, so only I would be able to view this view when it's created. There are other criteria that you can add by filtering. So you can say email. You can say if email is not empty. Let's say account name is Zoho and email is not empty. So I want a view for that. I will click onto this button create, and this is my custom view. So if I go onto any of those tickets here, it would show that this is the account I selected, and I said that email is not empty, so it's only showing me the tickets that have an email address associated with them. So for the other ticket as well. All right. Also, what you can do here is if you come into, so this is the view that I created. You can click on three dots and select the star. And once you select star option, you'd be able to see the view in the starred views option. For example, if you have like so many custom views that you've created and you only want to see certain views on the top, so this is how you can see. If you make it a star view, then you'd be able to see it on the top. So this is my custom view. That's all for today's video. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Or if you have any Zoho-based challenges, please contact us at support@goldstar.it.com. Thank you.